Welcome back to Northern Lights. I'm back to do another reaction video by Dimash. This time it is his song Blizzard Again, which he performs together with Kristina Orbakaite. Let's see what this is like.
Қазақ елінің ыстық ықыласына бөленсем деп келген өздеріңіздің сүйікті әншілеріңіз өнер көрсетеді. Сол кісінің репертуарынан осыдан 2 жыл бұрын Славянский базар байқауында жеңіске жеткен едім. Түсініп отқан шығарсыздар. Алдарыңызда Kristina Orbakaite!
За тобой не закрывая век, я живу уже который год. И с тех пор отчет моих нечаянных потерь остановлены кого-то ждет опять. И мается былое в темноте опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
Ты меня не ведай, прости. На пороге дома не гони. И теперь у нашей повторившейся любви сроком давности вся жизнь опять метель. Былое в темноте опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий
Another beautiful song and performance by Dimash. And Kristina is obviously another accomplished singer. A beautiful stage, and let me add, snøkrystallene vakre I vinternatten. That was a little Norwegian language bonus for you. Snow crystals. There are snow crystals everywhere here on stage, and you have a large crystal dominating the stage. It is beautiful. Norway is a winter country, and we are well accustomed to snow, ice, and beautiful snowflakes and snow crystals in the winter night. And up here in Northern Lights, this is what we know and what we appreciate about half of every year when we are in winter. An emotional song. I'm really enjoying it. And all the participants on stage carrying what looks like snowflakes, almost like angels in the snow. Let's see the last part.
Короткий день.
Құрметті ағайын, алдыңыздан салған Kristina Orbakaite.
Another beautiful song and performance by Dimash, this time with Kristina Orbakaite. I don't know much about her, but I think she is a famous singer in Russia. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. It's always great to watch Dimash, and we are sort of lost for words what to say about him. He showcased his voice again, the power and versatility of his voice, and it is a wonder to behold every single time I react to his videos. I really enjoyed that performance. It was beautiful and it had an eternal winter landscape, I thought. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll react to more Dimash later. Thanks for your support for my channel, for your subscriptions, comments and suggestions. I really appreciate it. Bye for now from Northern Lights here in the far north of Europe.